This is a beautiful, rare Mercury truck, cab forward truck. It's a Mercury M-100 custom 5-window cab over engine, and it is a Mercury. Has a 5-liter crate V8 engine in it with a Ford AOD transmission with overdrive, 2004 8.8 rear end differential with disc brakes, on and on and on. This thing is a beautiful, beautiful build. It is a Mercury, purchased out of Canada. Still up for sale. Let me back up to get a better look at it. Custom green with silver.
All right, 391 coming on down to 1894.
Mercury head cap, hubcaps.
25th anniversary edition. Another one here is Cellar States.
This interior is beautiful. Has a Mercury logo on the dashboard. Beautiful, beautiful Mercury with the extra cab. Very rare vehicle.
Oh, check it out. We got the window sticker here. Turn it around. Show the crowd there, young man. Oh, beautiful. Right here.
Even has the classic Arizona license plate.
All original paint.
Okay, buy one, get one.
I was speaking with the owner. He's looking to sell it with all that. They figure he has about $125,000 invested in it. And he's only looking for 75. Look at the tilt steering wheel column. This thing has it all. Beautiful truck.
Yeah,
if you have in the neighborhood of 70,000, you can buy this beautiful truck. Mercury truck. Again, not the old 6-cylinder. It has a 5-liter crate engine. Ford crate engine.
21.5 and a slight headache. Anybody at 22 grand?